Hi everyone, this is Marcus with DTF Station, and in this video, we will go over how to replace the damper in your Aries 113 UV printer. Before we begin to replace your damper, first test that your damper is in fact bad. Perform the following test to verify if your damper is malfunctioning. You want to carefully pull the damper out from the print head. When you do this, hold the damper by the top and bottom hard plastic parts only. You do not want to hold it by the sides with the thin plastic films. Now, take a syringe, insert it into the damper, and slowly pull the ink. If the ink fills the damper with no bubbles forming, the damper is good. Now, what you are looking for are bubbles that consistently form when you are actively pulling the ink. If you look at this magenta damper closely, as the ink is pulled, bubbles are forming to indicate an air leak. This damper is bad and will need replacement. Now that we have confirmed that your damper is malfunctioning and you have learned how to hold the damper, let's proceed. First, gather the following supplies: a Phillips screwdriver, a snap blade, small zip ties, protective gloves, your replacement damper, paper towels, and a pair of scissors. Next, turn the printer completely off by using the switch on the back. Now follow the video to remove all of the media from your printer before we begin. Once complete, turn the printer back on. Once the printer has finished initializing, tap the left arrow key once to disengage the printhead from the capping station. Then press and hold the left arrow key to move the printer carriage to the center of the printer bed. Now go ahead and turn the printer back off. Shift the printer carriage slightly to the right so that you have better access to the left side. Take your Phillips screwdriver and remove these two screws. Next, shift the carriage to left and remove these two screws on the right. This will allow you to remove the cover to the printer carriage. Now with the printer carriage centered on the printer bed, make sure to have your protective gloves on, get some towels and place them around the printer carriage to catch any ink that may spill over. Now remove the damper that you want to replace. Fold the tube leading to the damper, then tie it as shown with your zip tie. This will prevent excess ink from dripping out of the tube during replacement. Get another paper towel to catch any ink, and take a pair of scissors and cut the end of the tube. This is recommended over pulling the tube out to ensure you have a fresh new end to the tube that you will be using to connect to the new damper. This will prevent any possible air leaks. Now grab your new damper and push it firmly onto the tube. Go ahead and cut the zip tie to give you a little bit more room, and make sure that the tube is fully inserted all the way to this notch. Now go ahead and place the damper back onto the printhead. You may now remove the towels. Place the printer carriage cover back on, and use the 4 screws from earlier to secure it back into place. Now push the printer carriage over to the right above the capping station. Place your media back towards the heating rollers, secure into place. You want to make sure that you have enough media fed out as shown. Now take your blade and slice off the top layer film. Peel it back. And now place this media over the top. making sure that you are covering all the way to the edge of the media. Now pull this film out towards the back and tape it to this take-up reel. Now turn the printer back on. Press and hold the down arrow key until you have enough of this film to connect it to the take-up reel in the front. Then press the switch to the 2 position. Now head over to your printer's control panel, click Menu, scroll down to Head Maintenance, then select Fill Ink for 2 head. Press Enter. Allow the fill ink to go on for 5 seconds before clicking Cancel. Now click Cleaning to perform a head cleaning. Once idle, go to Menu again, Head Maintenance, then click Head Status to print a nozzle check pattern. If you get a good nozzle check pattern, then your damper has successfully been replaced. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.